Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He to the office every day. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. I my friend yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. They football in the ground. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. We very tired after work. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. She in the garden when it rained. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. The boy loudly in class. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. The train at 6 o'clock. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. At the door before I left. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. He always honest. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. She a lot of books. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I to the party last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. They not like spicy food? Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. The cat under the table. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. We in this city for 10 years. Option D is the correct answer. Question 15. She the flowers every morning. Option B is the correct answer.